Met him through a friend, just needed to get online, lost in the static, forgetting how to shine. He walked in with a grin, tools in his hand. Didn't just fix the tech, help me understand. I made him dinner, thought he'd eat and go, but he lingered like music soft and low. No matter what the world rained down on us, we built a shelter, sealed it up with trust. Through storms and silence, laughter and pain, love held steady like roots in the rain. Years rolled forward, raising kids and dreams, tangled together. Nothing's ever as it seems. We fought through the chaos, found peace in the night. In the clutter of life, you were my guiding light. With every new challenge, we found our way back. A patchwork of memories stitched into our track. No matter what the world rained down on us, we built a shelter, sealed it up with trust. Through storms and silence, laughter and pain, love held steady like roots in the rain. Oh, the heartaches we faced, they turned into gold. Tales of resilience in the stories we've told. Dancing through shadows, set free by our song. Together we rise, in each other we belong. The years weave a tapestry, intricate and grand. From the first shy hello to the life that we planned, we've built a world from the whispers and sighs, with laughter echoing in the spark of our eyes. Through all the seasons, hand in hand we grew, an enduring adventure painted in every hue. No matter what the world rained down on us, we built a shelter, sealed it up with trust. Through storms and silence, laughter and pain, love held steady like roots in the rain. Met him through a friend, now look where we are. Two true blues, chasing the same star. In a universe vast, our hearts interlace. Together forever, this love's our true place.